video everything.
No, or else it'd be an
These
hour.
climbs are insane. They're fun though.
Camera off, guys, and look. We
I
literally
just shut the camera off.
just shut the camera off. Just shut it off. Okay, here's the route.
Yeah.
Cool, I think we're out here.
Jared.
We're good. We're in the
Right there. Maddie, be careful. See it on that side too.
I've never seen it.
Oh wow. That was the coolest view of Colorado River.
Crazy.
Jared, we saw kayakers down there.
Did you really? I didn't see them.
They were when I was walking out, they were coming through. That would be so fun. The car wash, actually.
And that's Mickey's hot tub. And that looks strangely weird.
So there's a marked line, and it's very, very narrow. So that's the escalator that we're not gonna go up.
No, it's pretty famous.
It's very famous though. You can't hit it, he's gotta hit them holes this way.
I knew he wanted to try it.
He's about to flip over.
He's like, nope.
He's like, eh.
I don't blame him, that looked really straight up. We're here at the end of the trail. I think we got a little under 2 miles to go. like the roughest spot that we've driven so far.
Get out and film that right there.
You do it. I'm scared to watch.
Well, I gotta get all the way up here.
He's like this. This tail end of the Revenge is pretty bad. This is our camp spot here. I haven't talked about that too much. Got some trash we need to take out, but we got Chris down there, Jerry right there, us, and then Jamie and the right. We had dinner, and now we're gonna go eat some ice cream.
Yeah.
And check out another trail maybe. We came here to the food truck park in Moab. We're in search of some ice cream.
Impressive.
Mint chocolate chip shake. Self-serve vanilla. Chocolate. So this is the Colorado River again. And we just went and got ice cream. We decided to Mavi said the sky looks like lava. And it really does. It's beautiful. GEMINI bridges is not as intriguing. It's the first part of the trail is really good, but the rest of it is just kind of like this. And it's pretty and neat and different. But once you rode what we rode yesterday, which was spins and things, and the Revenge Trail, this is kind of like boring. So we're over by the GEMINI bridges still. We're taking the Gold Bar Rim. And anyways, we're getting into some action now. So we're on this trail and it says it's a 6 and it's been pretty sketchy. This is a, what would you say this is, like a 8-foot drop? 8-foot drop. It says it's a waterfall. So we're trying to back off of this waterfall. Jared, I'm scared. Let me check your front tire. You're gonna barely catch the edge of this, so if you go straight back, I think you'll be okay. All right. All right, come on, straight back. Straight, Jared. Straight back, straight back. Straight back. Straight back. You're good.
Did you show them that?
Yeah, I did. It's like, I said 8-foot, but I don't know, it might be a 10-foot drop off.
It's horrible.
And
it's not something none of us really want to do. We've never done nothing that level. Now this out here is fine, but that's extreme.
We're about back to the GEMINI Bridges Trail, and it's beautiful and it's fun, except for that one part. Like, we just don't want to do that.
We don't know that.
And we didn't know what's ahead, so.
It's a little too much. Well, and then we got to looking at the trail maps, because we weren't planning on doing that at all today. But GEMINI was just too boring for us, so we just hopped on a trail without doing our research, and it bit us. But basically it says you need about 10 hours to do this trail. Well, if we would have kept going with the way it was looking, we were going to put, we don't have 10 hours. It's way in the afternoon.
We'll probably go over to Chicken Corners. It wasn't on video when I got it. Lunchtime today, ham and pickles and chips.
That's exactly right.
absolutely gorgeous, and when we come back, we're gonna do this trail and make it to Chicken Corners, Lord willing.